Okay, so one more thing about state governments. Let's talk about the differences and similarities between the Florida Constitution and the United States Constitution. So let's actually do it the other way around. Let's focus on what they have in common. Okay, both are constitutions. Both make governments that are made up of three branches: legislative, executive, and judicial. Both of them allow for the creation of laws. Both of them protect the rights of citizens, okay? And both of them allow, both the Florida and U.S. Constitution allow for the constitutions themselves to be amended. Okay, you sometimes hear the phrase living document, meaning you can add stuff to these constitutions, both of them. Okay, so that's what they have in common. Differences. Florida's constitution is much longer, okay? They've got thousands, basically, amendments, okay, because amendments are made much easier in the state, much easier in the state of Florida. Basically, there's lots of different ways they can be made, but the main way that they're made is through direct democracy. Citizens can actually vote ourselves, voters, to add amendments. Okay, the Florida Constitution has a lot more stuff in it dealing with natural resources, creating like how licenses are going to work, things like that. They also have a document. It's the first section of the Florida Constitution called the Florida Declaration of Rights. What do you think is in that part of the Florida Constitution? Gee, I don't know. Maybe it has something to do with the rights that you have in Florida. Okay, the Florida Declaration of Rights lists all of the rights that Floridians have. It contains all of the same stuff that the Bill of Rights has, and some more. Okay, and some more. So things like the right to work, which actually has nothing to do with what it sounds like, but that's a topic for another day. The right to a public education, that's included in the state constitution. At one point, it said that people who had the right to get married only if they were man and woman. However, in 2015, they struck that part of the constitution of the state of Florida out, because now anybody can get married in the state of Florida to any gender. Okay, so that's Florida's constitution. The national constitution deals with things for the national government. It contains 7 articles, and it contains a Bill of Rights, which, as I said, functions in much the same way as the Florida Declaration of Rights, but these are the rights that are protected around the entire country. Okay, so pretty basic. They both create a government, they both protect rights, and they both can be amended over time. Good luck.